think it's just the, oh no, go ahead. No, you're good, buddy. You're good. You're good. You're good. Go ahead. Nah, man, I'm good. I'll just get some cigarettes and just not eat for another fucking week. Makes you not as hungry. That's for sure. You know what? Let's go here with it. I planted that shit, man. That guy's a fucking grease ball. Oh, these spurs are so nice, man. They can take some weight, bud. Not a whole lot. You're gonna have to. This guy's up here getting shit going. Awesome, bud. There's not some squirrels in here, but yeah, you're good. Unless I fall out. This is gonna go really well, buddy. You can't tell by my pace right now. Oh, am I going slow? There we go. Just like that. Seat rope acquired, buddy. Sounds good. So you're under me, eh? I'm fine. I see it, buddy. Take your time. I see it. Alright. Yeah, I'm golden, buddy. Perfect, thank you, guys. Yeah, if if you want to keep that chipper running, like you can chip here and there, you know, it's just you down there, so I don't mind if it runs a little bit more, right? Alright, cool. Yes, you can. Well, wherever, like, unless it starts to become inconvenient, you know? You make a call, bud. Trust me, if I was on the ground and you guys were up here, I'd love it, right, too, so. But a lot of people on the ground, when they say, oh, be nice to your ground guys, it's like, yo, if I'm on the ground, why don't you swamp me, bro? Like, give me some work to do. I'm here to work. It's a work day, isn't it? Grab a little bit. This piece of dead wood. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. That's good. We should probably right on. Alright. We got this guy here. Let's take him off. Beautiful. Just beautiful, man. So this guy, I think it looks woohoo! Hit me a little bit on the neck, but I'm good. Make sure there's no metal in whatever he has. Make sure there's no metal in that. If he wants us to chip that. Alright. Okay, alright. Who just called me? Like, fuck. Cut that, do we? Oh, just beautiful. Oh, this guy, what do we want to do with him? Killing it. This guy, baby. Piece of deadwood. Like there's no lines, eh, baby? Oh, hold on, don't get cocky before the last cut. No, not yet, hold on. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, go ahead, you got that one. Yep. I just want to get this while I'm here, right? Go ahead, buddy, get in there. That was nice, wasn't it? I've never heard that, man. That's fun. Yeah. Even if it's smaller pieces, right? Yeah, you're good. Hop in there, buddy. I got you. I love this rope, though, I must say, man. It looks fancy. Oh, pretty much, yeah. I was like, this will look good in the video. No, I just wanted something. I've never had like a really bedazzling seat rope. It's not even like the best, or it's not really expensive. Just wanted something to look cool. Alright, here we go. We'll just load them like that, you know? Yeah, hell yeah. We can handle them, because this guy doesn't care. We're giving him nice wood, right? What? Oh, hell yeah. This is going to be right close to you, buddy. Yeah, do your thing, brother. I'll try to cut it as small as I can for you to handle, you know? Ah, yeah, but I can help you out, you know? Oh, I can cut all these perfect for you, brother. Oh, I'm totally set. I see you, bud. Hey, Kareth, I got one more. One more, and then I'll leave you alone, alright? Beautiful. There you go, buddy. Now I can block wood back here, right? Sometimes it makes sense. Just make sure you see my rope and doesn't blend into some leaves for you. Attaboy, good work. I'm going to chill for a little bit. Get home to our families a bit earlier tonight, eh, brother? Why not? Let's try that. I drop something? Oh, the squirrel's nest. Oh my gosh. The chipper shut down. I was sketching out for a second. I'm like, what just, oh. No, it was a little squirrel's nest or something. I don't like that. I'm gonna go with this guy. What? Oh, then it happens. I usually poke them with saws, but I don't really care anymore. I usually clear the nest out with a saw. So I don't want to touch with my hands, but I just don't touch my face. I just rather out of here. I'm just gonna make sure that my camera's all good for this next part. We're killing it, buddy. Good job, dude. Here we go. You can throttle that thing up if you want. I can keep it. Holy shit, don't challenge me, man. Guys online, see, this is what I get. He just said, could I keep up with him, alright? He wants to be swamped. There you go. Camera better be rolling, man. Let's get it. Alright, Karen, stand back for a second, bud. Butt in the right way for you though, bud. It wants to break off. I'd probably just spear it. Get the other one out, baby. Get the other one out. Beautiful, beautiful. Go ahead. Yeah, get it, baby. Gotten pretty good. I found since I started filming too, I've kind of cleaned everything up, right? Because you can't learn pretty quick. People are going to comment if you don't do it right. Even the one-handed saw they don't like, but I've really learned a lot too. So I'm just leaving all this wood manageable, buddy. Make our day faster. Oh yeah, all wheelbarrow size, buddy. We gotta start getting better at things, even though we're fucking getting good at shit, you know? Exactly. That might be a will piece. That might be a will piece. I don't know, I could carry it if you don't want to. We don't even have to touch the wood now, you know? Oh, I'm gonna keep that away from there. Yeah, that's fine. They'll cut it over there, man. People are dropping logs over there, you know? Yeah. What? Well, no, just big logs, right? So he's gonna have to cut them up and do all the processing for it. I don't even need to use that to flop it, but cut this a little bit below. This one I'm just going to drop off bigger, right, buddy? Yeah. But you're pretty busy down there, right? So I try to find a perfect median. Well, cut fire one by extra time or whatever it's the situation, right? Actually, it's a little bit up here. It's not pinching, I don't think. You don't even need to mess with that if you don't want to, but you will need a saw for this one, alright, buddy? Okay, camera's on. If I didn't say it, I might have thought it was off. Here we go. Yeah, this one's dead. My lanyard slipped the whole way there. Oh, that's a weird feeling. But just doing it, do you see all the slack it gave me? Yeah, just out of nowhere, man. Like sometimes it'll happen. That's quite weird. Yeah. I know, you can give me a high five later, right, buddy? Should be able to. I'll figure it out. I just have to, like, it's dead too, right? There's some life on this one as I'm going up, so I'm not too concerned. Like, this is still a live piece. Like this one, but this one's dead hanging off of it, right? So I know that this one, though, is dead, but I can go as high as that, and it will still hold me, or should. But I won't go higher than this with my seat rope. If not, I gotta figure out an alternate plan to get it down if I can't avoid those wires. But it isn't over until it's over, right? I think I got it. everything up here, man. Now it's gonna be a little bit of a pull on my arm. I could rope it, but I'd rather, like, I think this will work better. Get you to rope it near lines. I'd rather have a sling on it quick, hold on to it for a second and then drop it. As long as I don't let it hang in my arm too bad. Because it is birch, and birch, like, even though it's dead, it's still gonna weigh a little bit. But I do a nice cut there. I think I got it. Here we go. Oh, I am gonna hold it, baby. Just want this out of the way for a second. Do the least amount. Oh man, where does it end, dude? That was gorgeous. Yeah, man, I don't know how I outdid myself there. I gave myself goosebumps. Yeah, firewood, all right, man. Yeah, I'm gonna just get it down to a flop now, but that was incredible, man. That was something. I didn't even hold on to that for like more than a second. Right when it dropped into my arm, hell yeah. Epic day, man. This is cool, dude. All right. Yeah, you just keep on dragging. I'm just gonna drop some wood in between, all right? Look out for each other and keep moving. I'm probably not going to even rope any of these tops, man, since I'm just like totally in my zone. I think I got it all. What? Yeah, it sounds good. Oh. Repositioning. Oh, that's better. See what I had to do? I find that tough when you're out on another section. Yeah, I'm not doing nothing yet. I'm still getting comfy. That's better. Woo. Oh, buddy. All right, you clear? Sweet. Dude, we're demolishing this, Garrett. We're killing it. All right, let's do it again. I might be able to. We'll see. It's kind of getting awkward on the coal here. No, I think I'm where I need to be. Just for some of it here. I'll figure it out in a sec. And I'm kind of comfy to make a couple cuts if I can. Right? That's alright. See if we want to bow. I got you. Grab a pruner, you can push up with it. Or if you can pull it, it should throw itself off. If you pull it down a little bit harder on the bell line should throw it off itself. Oh, you got it. Perfect. Yeah, no. Alright, buddy, now watch out. I know we're killing it. That's perfect. That's good. That's good. Remember, these lines can take a little bit, right, buddy? They can't take a shit ton, but they can take a little bit. Okay, be strong for this one, Will. You got this. Birch is slippery, so I have to do that double dirt trick. Come here. Easier. Oh, there we go. Right on. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm good. Just getting yanked from both ways. That's all. Okay. Alright, stay clear for a sec, Kara. Oh, it's killing my back. Oh, that's a bit better. That's a little bit better. Okay. That's okay. That's just one. Just bow. It's alright. See. Yeah, you don't want to rip them off. No, that's for sure. But I'm not going to rope them. Nope. Right in through. There it goes. I know so. Yeah, even though, yeah, no. Awesome. Oh, my back on that. Oh, it feels good to be back down. Get up here. Baby, I'm killing it. Oh yeah. Yeah, throttle that tipper down while you do it. Thanks, bud. Yeah, I'd say I'm killing it, Carrot. What do you think? I'd say so. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, dude, that's why I took mine off, and it's so hard to take it off. And you can see my shirt's kind of over my belt, but I did it pretty good for what it is. You always want to dress, because if you take something off when you're climbing, it's almost better to take all your gear off. But that was another sweet sequence, buddy. Brother. It's funny, dude, because I think you've seen me the longest and how much I've progressed even with the climbing, because you know what I mean? You came with me first, and it's pretty incredible. Yeah. Or even if you just want to stack that, bro, on his side, butt ends, by the garage, because we'll back the chipper into his driveway next. Alright, if you want to, buddy. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, keep moving, buddy. Okay, so I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go like this next. I'm going to take one more cut off a piece that I'm on, bud. Here we go. Yeah, I'm way better. See, if I shorten that, now when I come back, right, it's gonna be easier for me to readjust over this log with that being shorter. But it's gonna be a little bit of fun. There we go. Perfect. Tell it, Kareth. You get it, man. Get it. Get it, baby. It's kind of funny because there's an X and wires over here, and it's kind of like X marks the spot, but my mark is right beside the X. See if I can. I did it. Yeah, if ever my gear is too close, dude, and you see that and I don't, man. But yeah, no, this thing's great. I love this thing. I ain't cutting it right away. Breaker down. Oh, I'm out of gas. Come on, finish the cut, finish the cut, finish the cut. Yeah, I need fuel. What? Yeah, just don't spill any gas or stuff on my rope. Hey man, I'm just saying, I'm just saying. Just if you spill, I'll be upset. Okay, here. Slippery and stinky.